Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Ambo University. So first, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the URL section right over here, type down login to Ambo University and enter it. And from here, click on this first option that says Ambo University, and you'll get the direct link for the login process. Here you can see you are required with the username as well as your password. So all you have to do is write down your username and your password in order to log in. But if you have forgotten your password, we could see here's an option that says forgot your password, and then you'll be able to recover your password and reset your password as well. And after that, click on this option in order to log in, and then you'll be successfully logged into the Amber University. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.